Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Wanda. Hi. I want to start this video by giving thanks to TeckWrap for sending me this beautiful mini heat press. I'll be unboxing it with you. So let's get started. This is an item that's available on their website. It's got a comfortable handle, 3 easy heating settings, temperature button, precision tip, safety base. So let's unbox it. When I saw this on their website, I was so excited. So here it is. It is a yellow bee. This is the cutest mini heat press I've ever seen. TeckWrap says it's compatible with all heat transfer vinyl. It has all safety features to keep you safe from any hazards. It has a hollow insulated base and a timer that automatically turns off after 10 minutes of inactivity. The heat press can be easily carried around in a bag. And this is the bag. Comes with instructions. Very easy to read. And these came in the bag. Look at how cute are these. I love the bunny. As I mentioned, it's got 3 temperature settings. This is an all-in-one handheld heat press machine. It also comes with a safety base. It easily glides over the fabric. Red light indicates it's heating up. Green light indicates it's ready. As I mentioned, it's got 3 different settings. Low is 140 Celsius, 284 Fahrenheit. Medium, 160 Celsius, 320 Fahrenheit. High, 190 Celsius, 374 Fahrenheit. Let's start on Design Space. Let's make a project. You can use your recent uploads or click on View All. Once you're there, just scroll down till you find the project. Click on it, and then click on View. Now you can resize it, clicking up here and changing the size. Or you can go to one of the corners and just shrink it down. Once you're satisfied with the size, then you can click on Make. Always remember to measure your blank before putting in a size. This way you don't waste any vinyl. You can save it as a project. In my case, I won't. Choose to work on a mat. I'll be using a 12 by 12 and click on Confirm. I'll be using just one color vinyl, so I only have one mat on here. Click on Continue. For this project, I'll be using Glitter Heat Transfer Vinyl. It is available in 5 feet and 82 feet rolls. One of my favorite ones is this black. For this project, I'll be using the white glitter. This collection comes in 17 vibrant colors to choose from. As I mentioned, I'll be using the white paired with this black t-shirt. So let's get crafting. This is a new roll, so let's open it. Now, I'll be cutting it to size to make sure I don't waste any vinyl. To cut my vinyl, I'll be using a strong TeckWrap mat. Since this vinyl is very thick, you'll place it shiny side down. Make sure to get it to stick on your mat. To set base material, I'll be selecting glitter. This will turn on my mirror option. You can select more pressure if you want to. And now it's just cutting. The vinyl roll comes with these instructions inside. This is very helpful. On this paper, you'll see HTV type. It shows you the different kinds of cutting machines. This way you know what pressure to use. And lastly over here, the temperature. It says to use 310 Fahrenheit, 12 to 15 seconds. We will be using 320 Fahrenheit, which is the medium. We have our vinyl cut. Now let's do the weeding. I'll be using this pin pen from TeckWrap. You can start by poking on a corner and then pulling your vinyl. Very careful. You want to make sure you don't pull too rough so your vinyl doesn't break. My vinyl is weeding very smoothly. The vinyl is very easy to weed. I do recommend you cut your vinyl to size so you're not wasting any vinyl, since this vinyl is very thick and it's a little bit hard sometimes to see where your cuts are. Other than that, it's my favorite vinyl. Alright, here we have it. Now we just need to get the inside of the letters, these tiny pieces. I'm cutting here the edge to make sure I don't have any vinyl on there that will mess up the shirt. And as I mentioned in all the videos, this is my favorite weeding tool. If you've never used one, trust me, you will love it. I recommend you get one. I don't know if you noticed, but it goes perfect with the mini heat press. Almost done. And here we have it, all done. Now let's go press it. Momster. What happens to Mom after she counts to 3? Here I have an ironing pad and I'll be using this mini press. Now I'll just lint roll the shirt to make sure I get any fuzzies out. Also make sure to press your shirt before placing the vinyl. This will remove any moisture that the shirt has. I'll be using this ruler. This will help me center my design. Once I have the ruler centered, I'll bring in the design and kind of fold it, just the plastic, not the vinyl. This will help me place it on the center of the shirt. You can also create a line in the middle of your shirt by pressing it. It will help you place your design along with that line and have your design centered. You can move it around a little bit if you need to. I always go the extra mile and measure my sides. I like to have the same amount of space on each side. And now I'll be turning the heat press. Just hold it down till you get a red light and then adjust the temperature by pressing it. Let's just leave it there till it warms up. All right, it's ready. It's green. We can start pressing. It is very lightweight. It's got a cozy handle for a firm grip. It glides easily. I'm just pressing a couple of seconds each letter. Just work your way through the design. It glides very smoothly. Wait till the vinyl cools down and then start removing the carrier sheet. Very careful. When I'm removing the carrier sheet, I normally do like a little roll and then just start rolling away. I like doing it this way. It gives me a better grip of the carrier sheet. Try doing it this way. You'll see what I mean. I don't know if the camera does it any justice, but this glitter vinyl is beautiful. It's got some little specks of color. And this is how it turned out. It looks beautiful. This vinyl is beautiful. And if you watch to the end and you like the video, don't forget to give us a like. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.